Hello everybody! Very short tutorial. I have a text in a PDF file, but it is not possible to copy the text. You see? This can also be useful with image files. So what I'm going to do is to go to the web newocr.com and I'm going to upload the file. So I select it, then I select the option I'm not a robot, and then I click on the button Preview. And there you can see what happens. The web has even recognized the language of the document. It is possible to change it if you want. The area with texts has also been recognized. So now I'm going to click on the button OCR, Optical Character Recognition. So the web converts the image in a text that I can copy, translate, etc. You see it now. The image is in the upper part, and in the lower part of the web we have the text. We can select that text, copy it to the clipboard. We can even translate it with only a button. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed.